Okay, sometimes you will be asked to see what is the greatest common factor between two numbers. So all you do is you look at your number they're asking. They're asking you between 12 and 18. So we took 12 and we listed all its factors like we learned in our previous video. If you didn't see the previous video, go watch it. We know 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. So there are the factors of 12. There they are. Okay, right? And then we did the same for 18 further down. We found out all the factors of 18. Now what we have to do to find out the greatest common factor between these two is we have to actually circle the ones that match. So let's use green and let's match. There's a 1, there's a 1. There's a 2, there's a 2. There's a 3, there's a 3. There's not a 4 in the bottom, so we won't circle the 4, but we do find 2 6s. There's a 6 and there's a 6. There isn't a 9 at the top, there isn't a 12 at the bottom, there isn't an 18 in both. So our common factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So to find your greatest common factor, greatest means the biggest one, it is number 6. So we wrote here, greatest common factor between these two numbers is 6. You understand that? Let's do the next one. So remember, you must watch a previous video if you don't know how to find the factors of a number. We are looking at the common factor between two numbers, in this particular case, between 6 and 15. They're going to share some common factors, and we want to find the greatest one of them. In other words, the biggest one that they share. So we can see the factors of 6 here are 1, 2, 3, and 6, because it's 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. They all come to 6. Those are the factors of 6. And the factors of 15 are 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. Those are the things that come to 5 on our times, to 15 on our times tables. Let's circle the ones that are the same. 1 and 1 they share. 2 they don't share. 3 they share. 5 they don't share. 6 they don't share. 15 they don't share. So we've got factors 1 and 3 are shared. Who's the greatest common factor here? It would be 3. So we go write it here. Greatest common factor equals 3. Next one, we have two numbers, 12 and 16. Let's look at what they share in their factors. They share 1, they share 2, they don't share 3, they share 4, they don't share any of the others. So our greatest common factor here is 4, because our factors were 1, 2, and 4. And who's the biggest? 4. Greatest common factor. Right, let's look at this one. We've got 8 and we've got 20. And let's circle the numbers that are the same. We've got 1 that they share, 2 that they share, and 4 that they share. They don't share anything else. So our factors that they share are 1, 2, and 4. And 4 is the biggest of those, so we wrote it down here as our greatest common factor equals 4. Okay, you're getting the picture here now. Right. So that is how you find out your greatest common factor between two numbers. We'll go into more depth as you get older and as the videos amount in this particular playlist. But that's all you need to know for now, and we'll build on your knowledge in the next lecture.